Being surrounded by conflict got my life feeling crucial. Screaming hey in the barn, they'll grab their 9 and they'll shoot you. That's a reference from my era, where we tangle with the terror. Shout the squad, cause we all seen some that'll scare you. But pause, we just take that for the cause. We come straight back, show them it's more choices than jail or a straight jack. Hard to say stop the violence when the shit surrounds you, compound you. And if you ain't strong enough, he'll drown you. It's hard to go against the current when you talking theft deterrent. For it's me, it's you. Somebody call the ESU. All need no once in our life. Gotta kill a G or two. Wouldn't find it feasible. An alley, they be leaving you. Closed casket, trust me, nobody won't be seeing you. It's difficult to understand. Can't be traveling under man. We move in the back in case they choose to attack. The world's a beautiful mix, but we losing the black.
Like Omar on the block. When you see me better duck. Best believe I got the birdie on my shoulder. The birdie on my shoulder, my shoulder. I keep a semi or a Glock. You better call the doc. Guaranteed you'll be living in a roller. You're living in a roller, yeah.
There's a war going on outside, but fuck that. There's a war going on in my head, so plus that. I should not be pushed, blowing dubs of the kush. War should not be whoosh, but prepared for. What you scared for? Shit. You talking like you bout it, but from your actions I doubt it. I fear no man till the day I die, and any day I know the cake could fly, and I could be the target. Was defensive or started? Either way it's equal play. That's why the Eagles stay close to it. Since y'all don't use hands, here's a toast to I seen most of crumble under pressure, so won't hesitate the pressure. Ain't never gave a fuck about a nigga, no way. So when you say you don't like me, I'm thinking like, okay, smoking on a strong J, you looking like strong J. Talk too crazy and turn your whole hood to Pompeii.
Like Omar on the block. When you see me better duck. Best believe I got the birdie on my shoulder. The birdie on my shoulder, my shoulder. I keep a semi or a Glock. You better call the doc. Guaranteed you'll be living in a roller. You're living in a roller, yeah. Now Babylon want to charge me. Cause I and I a soldier in Jah army. Here lies the heart of a lion, a righteous man with goals to reach Mount Zion. So disrespect I and there'll be a war tonight. Guns cocked, I keep prepared to fight. I and I bring death to me enemies. Blessed love and strength from the Most High Selassie I. Oh, die. Yeah. Like Omar on the block. When you see me better duck. Best believe I got the birdie on my shoulder. The birdie on my shoulder, my shoulder. I keep a semi or a Glock. You better call the doc. Guaranteed you'll be living in a roller. You're living in a roller, yeah.